Good morning, guys. This morning I have chosen a totally novel, different subject, very closer to our home. That is about all of you are aware that yesterday, on the day of auspicious Dasera, the city of Junagadh inaugurated cable cart or ropeway road. Thousands of people thronged. Some people just to see how it works, some people took a ride on it, and that was really proud thing to see and feel. That since 1947, this is probably the first thing that the city of Junagadh has gotten, which is world class. During my life that I have spent over here, I have not seen even the name was renovated or renovated, nor Girnar step or Datar step, nor Motibag is renovated. Private companies have actually building the super malls and the malls and the different kinds of things, but government has not actually done anything at all to provide us better and world-class services. So this was the first thing. We also went yesterday to see how every single thing goes. It really instilled the confidence in our technology, confidence in our government, and the confidence in our city as well. I have given the title to this is White Swans All the Way. Means a benefit. White swans with a benefit, nothing but benefit coming out of this cable cart. Cable car system was first introduced around 1873 by Engineer Andrew Smith. Andrew Smith was the first person who introduced it. After that, almost every nation of the world which are surrounded by mountains, they have actually adopted the technology and built. The most important things are actually two. One thing is that it can generate huge amount of money coming out of the tourist pockets. Girnar, as you know, is the global attraction for the tourists with 10,000 idols and goddesses. 10,000. Believers throng from all corners of the world coming to Junagadh and climb it. But what actually happens is that females, elderly folks, and the children were all deprived. Now nobody would be deprived. Yesterday, Thaleti was thronging with people. It was fraught with people to the point that you cannot understand why so many people are here. And that was only the first day. So this will actually bring huge amount of white swans, means economic benefit to the nation, to the city and city dwellers. I have actually chosen 5 points to elaborate this cable cart and its white swans. Point number 1 is white swans galore. Too many white swans. The city of Junagadh would be milking lots of benefits. Money would be churning for years and years. For it is eternal plan, not terminal, eternal. And the money would coming into the city's treasury for probably hundreds of years. That is the best milk cow that we have actually bought for 130 crore rupees. And that is the smartest economic ideas by the best economist of our state. Point number 2 is the most lucrative money-churning project. This project is going to churn lots of money. The money will rake in left and right relentlessly. Tourists would come for 2 reasons now. One, that they would like to pay respect, pay honor, pay reverence, pay veneration to Girnar. And the second reason now they are going to find is to have fun in the cable cart. Beautiful thing they are going to see from the cable cart that we have never seen our own Girnar before. These cable cars are going to provide us an opportunity to have comprehensive look of the beauty of Girnar from the distance. And that would be really soul-soothing, soul-balming, and very entertaining, very pleasant scenario to see from the cable cart. Point number 3 is cable cart instills pride in our heart. Since the cable cart came to Junagadh, all the inhabitants of Junagadh like us, now we're going to feel that our city is also stepping into the global arena. Now we are standing abreast with the global nations. We can say New Zealand has lots of cable cars. So Junagadh also has. Now we can say Austria has lots of cable cars. America has lots of cable cars. So we also in Junagadh has cable cars. We cannot feel that we are second fiddle in the world, but we can feel that now we are in parity. We can stand abreast with the world, and we can actually brush shoulder to shoulder with the advanced nations and advanced metropolis of the world. Point number 4. Top rung engineers of Australia have given clean sheet. Now there was lots of speculations. I was also very much in speculation that Indian company Usha has created it, though there was in a partnership with other company, and that company is also foreign, BRAC company is also a foreign company. But when government of Gujarat invited top-notch field engineers from Austria, they came over here and they gave us a clean sheet. Clean sheet means a guarantee in writing that there's nothing to worry about it. You can travel to and fro millions of times in your life and nothing would happen. So look, that is kind of confidence building measure that the government has actually given us. That was not necessary for Gujarat government, but Gujarat government smartly did it to instill our confidence in the system. Because we, the city of Junagadh, have never enjoyed anything like that. We never had rode like this, anything like that. We have never seen anything like that. So naturally, initial fear psychosis would be there in our mind. Skepticism would be there. Lots of questions would be there. Lack of confidence would be there. Rupani actually tried this, that he invited all these engineers from Australia. They came over here all the way to Junagadh. They look every single thing in a minute way and they give us a clean sheet. That inhabitants of Junagadh, there is nothing to worry about. You can travel without any kind of speculation, without any kind of skepticism, without any kind of fear psychosis. Point number 5 is, innovation and occasion cost was 130 crore and Usha BRAC Limited Company built it. The cost was very little. It was 130 crore, simply 130 crore. You know that wily politicians and wily businessmen like Vijay Mallya, they can steal 20 to 22,000 crore. Nirav Modi stole about 12,000 plus crore. So 130 crore. If they would not have stolen that much money, we could have this kind of cable carts every mountaineering city in Gujarat and in the world. So 130 crore is just a drop in the ocean. It is not a huge amount of money to spend. And the money did not go out of the nation. That is the beauty of this project. Money stayed with Usha company, the company that makes the fans and the motors and all sorts of things. So this is a good project. Every inhabitant of Junagadh in particular and inhabitant of Gujarat and India in general must give Gujarat government a standing ovation for this highly Kaizen innovative project. Thank you very much for listening. God bless all of us. And this auspicious festival Diwali has been going on. We have plenty of time. We have plenty of time for last 10 months, but due to lockdown and the distancing and the so many other restrictions, we did not leave over four walls. Now is the time. First thing you do, just jump on the cable car and enjoy that we did not enjoy for last 10 months. Cost is also very marginal. It runs around 700 rupees for round trip. It's nothing. Nowadays, round trip, two people's a meal in American joint can cost 700 rupees. So it's worth it. Okay, God bless everyone on this planet. Amen.